Question 23 is about the wind generator equation. It is not application. It's just whether you understand this equation, where does it come from or not. So you need to remember where does this equation come from. So we have a wind turbine here. It's an area pi r square. Okay. So we assume the wind flow to it with a constant speed in a uniform way. Constant speed, we call it a streamline flow. Okay. So we assume the speed is a v, and this is a streamlined flow, uniform, and you know where does it come from. So we know the cross-sectional area, and we know in 1 second it moves a distance of v. So this cylinder of gas will pass through the wind turbine, and we assume all its kinetic energy is converted by the wind turbine. So we assume when it's passing through it, the speed becomes 0. It's instantaneous at rest. So it is all the assumption that we need to make in the calculation. So look at ABCD. Option A, the number of blades. Yeah, it doesn't matter, right? Yeah, it can be 3 base, 4 base, 5 base, any base, so it doesn't matter. Speed of air particle after passing through the turbine is 0. Yes, you need to use up all the energy. And the speed of air particle approaching the turbine cross-sectional area is constant. Yes, because we need to assume it's a constant speed, so a length of v of air passing through the turbine per second. So we need v to be a constant nearby. And turbulence created by the spinning turbine is negligible. Yes, okay, we need to have a streamlined flow. If it produces a turbulence, then it will jet out the air inside, and the calculation will be different. So shouldn't have turbulent flow. So free assumption. What's wrong? It's not. So what is the answer? Yes, you got it. The answer is A. Well done. If you like my sharing and it helps you a little bit, please like and subscribe and share it. Thank you.